Hi guys, welcome to the 7th module of this program. Over here, we are going to make a transition from the machine learning world into the deep learning world. So starting with, I'll be giving you a good introduction towards the deep learning, and then what is the meaning of artificial neuron and how can we compare it with the biological neuron. And trust me guys, understanding this deep learning or this artificial neuron is going to be very much easy given that you have already covered your linear regression and the logistic regression. So yes, once we understand about the artificial neuron, we are going to jump into the first type of network in the deep learning, specifically called as feed-forward neural network. We are going to look into the multi-layer perceptron, as you can see over here, this one. After this, I'll be introducing you all to the most commonly used activation functions. What are the activation functions? Why do we use them? Everything will be cleared in this module. After this, we are going to code a neural network from scratch. So for that, we'll first need to understand the problem statement to build that neural network, and then how we can design that type of network. What are the things we need to keep in consideration while building that network? And after that, to actually build that network, we'll be requiring to know this kind of mathematical equations, because you know what? AI is everything about the mathematics. How you can convert this mathematical code into programming and make your program very much smart. That's your AI. So over here, we're also going to look into the equations for the cost function, forward and the backward propagation. And lastly, we're going to look into the derivation of the backward propagation equations so that you're having a really good idea of how exactly did we get these equations. And then we are going to code everything that we have studied about in this module and prepare our neural network from scratch. So I hope you all are excited to start this module. So yes, let's get started.